So Peter, how would you say a heat pump compares in regards to efficiency compared to a electric baseboard heater, a natural gas furnace?
So it's a good question. I think what you want to be careful of is a lot of times when people ask how efficient is it, they don't always mean how efficient is it. They mean how much will it cost for it to actually make me comfortable in my house. And so, whereas a heat pump can be, say, 300% efficient, it might not always be the cheapest cost. So when comparing it to natural gas or electric baseboard, in the case of electric baseboard, it's going to be 2.5 times more efficient and also 2.5 times less expensive. But in the case of natural gas, when you're comparing two different fuels at two different prices, while the gas furnace at cold temperatures might be, say, 95% efficient, it might be cheaper to operate. So when we do the assessment on someone's house, we can decide, first of all, if we can do everything with a heat pump, and if not, what backups do you need, and which ones make the most sense for what you're trying to achieve.